Well, look at Monday to everyone out there. Here's what we got to look forward to over the rest of the week. Warm and humid. That summer-like pattern continuing over the next few days. Those daily rain chances in the afternoon as well. The tropics also pretty active over the course of the week. More on that in just a minute. But first, let's get to today's forecast. Warm, maybe a stray shower or two, but more spots and not staying dry. Temperature's going to be topping out in the low 90s for the most part as we get into the afternoon. You can see futurecast showing for the most part we stay dry, but we're going to keep a low-end rain chance on the board as we go through the day today. Temperature's going to be topping out upper 80s, lower 90s in the Tupelo area. Golden Triangle, mainly low 90s on the board. Low 90s in West Alabama as well. Better rain chances as we get into Tuesday, and we're going to keep those scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon on the board through the rest of the week. You can say Wednesday and Thursday looking fairly similar to Tuesday on the futurecast as well. Tropics, as I said, very active right now. 3 named storms. Hurricane Jose off the east coast of the United States. Maria approaching the Lesser Antilles at this point. And Lee, Tropical Depression Lee, to the east of Maria. So let's start with the storm closest to the United States. This is Hurricane Jose. Not looking particularly impressive on satellite this morning. Almost looking like it's losing its tropical characteristics. We'll see how it all works out. But as for now, it's still a Category 1 hurricane with sustained winds at 85 miles an hour. Latest forecast to the National Hurricane Center has this thing weakening to a tropical storm and brushing the East Coast, but not making a direct landfall. Again, we'll see how things work out, but likely going to be at least some impacts from maybe New York all the way back up towards Maine from Jose. Then we have Maria, the most impressive-looking hurricane at this point on the map. Sustained winds 90 miles an hour. You can see a lot more bright reds there, indicating some more robust convection in this storm, approaching the Lesser Antilles at this point. Latest forecast from Maria has this thing continuing to strengthen into a major hurricane, having significant impacts on places like Puerto Rico, the island of Hispaniola, and ultimately moving towards the Bahamas. So Maria is one we're going to have to watch very closely over the next few days, likely to have some significant impacts in the Caribbean, and one that we'll have to watch, see if there's any potential for United States landfall. It's still way too far out to know for sure if it's going to be an issue for the United States. Here's how the 7-day forecast is going to work out in our neck of the woods. We're going to keep a 20% chance of rain on the board today, better rain chances as we get through the rest of the work week this week. And even as we get into the weekend, we're going to keep those low-end rain chances on the board. Temperature is going to be in the low 90s today and Tuesday, and then mid to upper 80s as we go through the rest of the week. And meteorologist Amanda Reynolds will have the latest on your forecast coming up later on tonight on WCBI News at 5.